What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So I am currently on my way to HP's house to pick up the channel's new drift car. Why is it at HP's house? It's gonna stay at HP's house too, but it's at HP's house because I'm buying HP's RX-8 for our channel. HP's dad wants the car gone, so it's not gonna be gone. It's still gonna be at his house, but they'll have the money for it. So hopefully that helps. Yeah, we're about to get into like a whole drift series with this car. Let's just hope we can make something cool out of this RX-8. Because I'm only getting it because HP's get it gone and like it's like an instant like eager buy. Like I just want a drift car, so I'm gonna go buy it. So yeah, see you guys at HP's.
Oh fucking like over me.
Alright, this is totally worth it.
My fucking legs, I'll get my legs out. The fucking one with the hands is fucking.
Bro, how'd that happen, bro?
How'd you? Okay, I want to know how they got all
You
this.
saying, huh? Every time we say something, you're like, huh? Boy.
You fucked it up. Never mind. Come back here. What? You stall it again?
Yeah.
You fucking.
Yeah, bro.
Stand right there. I'm gonna pull up to right there.
So, this is our new drift car, guys.
Yeah.
How do you feel finally selling this thing?
I feel good. Look, what's up?
HP sucks.
Alright, so alright, so this is Gender's first time actually driving the RX-8.
Driving the car.
Yeah, because before I had to get the motor put in and all that. Sorry. Nah, just go, hurry up, my mom's getting hella butthurt, so hurry up before she comes out.
Possibly God.
Yeah.
मैं ਉੱਥੇ ਖੜੀ ਹਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੋ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੈ
Come on with the car.
ਕੀ ਸਮਾਂ ਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ
Just tired.
What? I'm gonna hop out, what?
Alright, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Oh wait, no, I already did this part. What? So I'm about to go swing our new drift car, the RX-8, as you guys saw in the previous clip. I'm hella tired right now, so sorry for my lack of energy.
Cut. You should have started with this is Valley Boy's intro vlog.
I already introed it.
When?
Wait, when I picked up the RX-8 from HP. Oh, by the way, I'm with Summit, guys. You can come out now.
It's 357 vlog. I was trying to do that, but you fucking low-key ruined it, yo. But I'm fucking pumped. But, yeah.
So, we're gonna go swing our new drift car, and yeah. RX-8, warming up. Let's get this video started. Fuck that! This thing ain't got no tags on it.
Yo, fuck that police said. Yo, some guy yelled out, yo!
Out this bitch, nigga.
Legendary shit.
Holy shit!
Hey, I gotta tell you some sad news, dog.
What?
I don't think I was recording when all that happened.
You're fucking lying to me right now. Give me the fucking camera.
Alright, bro.
So, alright. As I was trying to whip it and it didn't come around because I guess I didn't have traction off all the way. And as I stopped and tried to figure that out, some guy yelled out, "Hey!" First reaction to that bitch in the first and dipped. And Summit!
Ah, bro, if you would've
Summit!
the way he did, bro.
It was bad. It was bad. I left it. It was in the car. Bond. Yeah. For some reason, you know, traction was not off all the way, right?
Yeah.
So in my head, as soon as I heard the A, I saw the light. I'm like, traction's off. Forgot everything I was doing. Put it in first. Revved it up a little bit. Dropped the clutch, and the car just goes. Ding. And then I missed the second gear, hella bad, like
shit.
horribly.
That shit was so bad, bro. I really wish I would have recorded that.
Oh man. Alright, well we're gonna try again. Just let me figure this traction shit out.
Yo, what the
Leave me alone! Hold the camera!
Yo, teach him how to drive stick.
Someone teach this man how to use a camera! All you gotta do, when I'm talking, point at me. When you're talking, point at me. Alright, just make sure that light is on!
Hey, shut up. Stop recording, you bitch.
Right now?
It was 10 minutes earlier.
You didn't record a full 10-minute clip.
Oh.
You recorded a 2-minute, 30-second clip.
You got me there. Ooh.
There we go.
Let me see some.
Bro, Summit and HP both don't know how to use a fucking camera. Summit fucked this shit up yesterday. He didn't record any of that. He didn't record any of that, bro.
Shout out HP's mom. Shout out HP's mom for this bomb ass pizza. HP's like, hand me that shit.
Bro. It's cool. We got more tires.
This nigga hating, bro.
Hey, no, look. Oh, fuck. You need new tires.
We got tires.
We got tires.
We got tires. We got like 8 cents. Alright. We're gonna go back and try that again because HP's a dipshit.
No. He should have pressed the record.
Shut up.
No, you should have.
What the fuck are you doing? You're gonna keep going wide. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to get an angle. You're gonna get me killed. Go. Shut up.
Dumbass nigga.
HB. Go. Huh? Oh. What happened? Is it not spinning? Huh? What do you mean? Drop it higher. What are you dropping it at?
Okay, you try it out.
Alright, watch.
No. Hey. Wait. Hey, try. If this side's just weird, you gotta do it the other way.
You have to do it the other way.
Yeah. Do the other way.
Do the other way.
Fuck you, should I just pop the tire?
No, you're good.
Do you want to go to the... No, but I'm trying to look.
Go way the fuck down there.
come.
Turlock.
Yeah, but hey, fuck it, just do the other way. If it pops, We'll go replace it.
Alright.
Hey, so do it down there.
Hey, no, only do a couple.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, no, you're good. Hey, the tire's done.
Hey, bro, something in my head, bro.
Hey, that was worth it. That was worth it, nigga. Oh, fuck, I can't.
Alright, I'm gonna go pull back up.
Hey, is that shit smoking or?
Oh. How bad's the tire? Oh! Yo, it completely beat it off. Well, that's one way to break in the drift car. Successful?
Successful. What's a fucked up fender after a pop tire?
Oh shit!
It's like a fucked up haircut.
It does!
You already know how to do it.
Hey, you already know, bro.
Jazz went crazy, bro. Jazz is
I'm not gonna lie. That's a good one. Like,
Oh shit. Oh, let me see that. Where it popped right there?
hey, I killed him, nigga. Go.
Who needs coolant when you got water, right? Oh, hell yeah. HP. Alright, you good? Yeah.
It's cool.
It's cool.
It just drops.
It just drops on that side. It didn't rub that bad. Alright, go pull up to the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, just gotta pull up to the middle.
That truck like fucking he's coming this way.
Is it?
Better than I'm dipping, nigga.
Pavi!
Drive it back to back with Felix and C.
So you finally ready to figure out what our drift car is?
Mark 1.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'm ready.
I kind of found out what it was.
This fucker told you, didn't he?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Nice new comfort, faggot.
Oh, I love the way that.
What's up, girl? What's up, vlog? What's good? Long time no see. I know you weren't waiting for that birthday vlog.
Yeah.
You probably won't get it. No, I've been slacking hard. You all get it soon, trust.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe.
see you guys in the next one.